Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Anyways, the place where learning English is easy, friendly, and fun.
Hi, friends. I'm Adam.
And I'm Jessica.
Hi, friends. Today's lesson is powerful. It's not just about speaking English, it's about thinking in English.
When you start thinking in English, your brain changes. You become faster, more confident, and more natural.
So, today we'll show you 5 simple exercises that will help your brain start thinking in English every day.
And trust me, if you do them for just 10 minutes a day, your English will sound more fluent.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends.
Ready to train your brain? Let's go. Many English learners study words and grammar for years.
But when it's time to speak, their mind freezes.
Exactly. Because they first think in their own language, then translate, then speak.
That takes too long.
Thinking in English means you stop translating and start speaking naturally.
You understand English like a native, fast and automatic.
So let's train that brain. We'll give you 5 exercises you can start today.
And we'll practice them together.
Okay, first exercise. Very easy. Wherever you are, start naming things around you in English.
For example, look around right now.
I see a table, a chair, a window, a cup, a light.
I see a microphone, a notebook, a bottle, a plant.
This helps your brain connect English words with real objects.
No translation, no dictionary, just English and the world around you.
You can do it while walking, cooking, or even shopping.
When you see something, say it in your head or whisper it.
Pause the video. Look around your room.
Say the names of 5 things in English right now.
For example, pen, curtain, phone, pillow, wall.
Great. That's how your brain starts to live in English.
This one might sound funny, but it's powerful. Talk to yourself in English.
You can describe what you're doing. For example,
I'm making coffee. I'm going to the market. I'm tired but happy.
it feels weird at first, but it's real practice.
You don't need a partner. You just need your voice and your thoughts.
When you talk to yourself, you create a bridge between thinking and speaking.
Your brain learns that English is your natural way to describe life.
Say out loud 3 sentences about your day, right now.
Like this. I woke up late. I had tea. I'm watching this video.
Excellent. Do this every morning or evening.
Your brain will start talking in English before you even realize it. Now, let's make it a little more advanced.
Many learners try to think in long sentences and get confused.
So instead, start with simple English thoughts.
For example, when you're hungry, don't think, I need to eat food in your language and then translate.
Just think directly. I'm hungry.
If it's cold outside, think, it's cold.
If you're happy, I feel good today.
Short, simple, and direct sentences.
This trains your brain to skip your first language.
Exactly. Step by step, your thoughts become faster in English.
Pause now and make 3 simple sentences about how you feel.
For example, I'm relaxed. I'm focused. I'm learning English.
Great. Keep it simple. That's the secret to fluency. Number 4, use English media the smart way.
When you watch movies, listen to podcasts, or scroll YouTube, don't just understand. Think about what they say.
For example, when someone says, I love traveling, think, I love traveling too.
When someone says, it's raining, think, yes, I can see that.
Keep your brain active, not passive.
It's like talking inside your head in English.
And don't worry if you don't understand every word.
The goal is not perfection, it's connection.
After you watch this video, open another English video.
Listen for 1 sentence, pause it.
Then repeat the same sentence in your mind or say it out loud.
You're not just watching, you're training your brain to think. Okay, our last exercise is a fun one. The 1-minute English thinking challenge.
Every day, choose one topic, like my breakfast, my job, or my city.
Then, think about that topic only in English for 1 minute.
You can do it while walking or brushing your teeth.
Try to make sentences in your mind.
I live in Dubai. It's big. There are many cars.
Don't translate, just think in English.
If you forget a word, describe it in English instead of switching languages.
For example, if you forget umbrella, say something I use in the rain.
That's real fluency. Explaining ideas with the words you know.
Pause this video. Choose one topic. Maybe my morning or my favorite food.
Think about it in English for 1 minute, no translation.
When you finish, write 1 sentence in the comments using your own words.
We'll read some and give you feedback. Now you might ask, how does this change my brain?
Great question. When you think in English, your brain makes new neural connections.
That means your mind starts connecting ideas directly to English words. No middle step.
It's like training your brain to use a new road. At first, it's slow, but with practice, it becomes smooth and automatic.
Scientists call this neuroplasticity, your brain's power to grow and adapt.
So each time you describe something in English, you're literally changing your brain's wiring.
And that's how real fluency happens. Not by memorizing, but by using. Wow, that was amazing.
Thinking in English is the real key to fluency.
Now it's your turn. Which exercise will you try first?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Anyways.
New English lessons are coming every week.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time. And keep thinking in English.
Bye.